Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best garden bags is probably one of the most essential tools for any gardener, offering a practical and efficient way to organize and transport your gardening essentials. From sturdy construction to ample storage space, these bags are designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use while keeping your tools within easy reach. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, having the right garden bag can make all the difference in your gardening experience. Number 5. Scuddles Women's Gardening Tools Kit. This set includes a shovel, transplanter, fork, rake, digger, shear, and sprayer. They are rust-resistant with sturdy wooden handles, designed for precision and durability in all your gardening tasks. The tote bag is made from durable 600D polyester. It keeps your tools organized and easily accessible. It's lightweight, compact, and designed for long-lasting outdoor use. Ergonomically designed wooden handles provide a secure and comfortable grip. This reduces hand fatigue and improves control while digging, planting, or pruning. These sturdy gardening gloves offer a snug yet breathable fit. They protect your hands from dirt, thorns, and blisters while ensuring flexibility for delicate gardening tasks. This set includes 8 essential tools: a shovel, transplanter, fork, rake, digger, shear, sprayer, gloves, and tote bag. It's perfect for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. What we like. This set includes everything you need, from a shovel to gloves. The stainless steel tools are built to last, and the ergonomic handles make gardening comfortable. If you're a beginner or someone who wants a comprehensive set, this is a great choice. It has all the tools you need to get started right away. What people say. Great tools perfect for a little gardening and bushes shrubberies had for 3 years still working fine. It has tons of pockets on the inside and outside and still leaves plenty of room for larger items. It can be used to carry all the gardening tools and if left clear in the center can also be used for harvesting. I love the bag itself, 5 out of 5 stars for the design. The handheld spade and rake tool is very durable. The mini spades and rake is useful for planting small plants and seeds, especially in small pots. Now I can keep the tools I need in one place. This makes it easy to manage, store and transport the tools. Number 4. WORKPRO 8 Pockets Garden Tool Bag, 12x12x6. This garden tool bag is made of high-quality 600D Oxford cloth. The soft and durable material ensures it can withstand the rigors of gardening. It's designed to last. With an interior size of 12x12x6, it provides ample space for all your gardening tools. External pockets and an elastic cord further expand its capacity, offering even more storage options. It features 6 front pockets and 2 side pockets for easy access to your tools and spray bottles. These deep pockets prevent items from falling out, keeping everything organized. The anti-slip strap handle is comfortable and soft, reducing fatigue during carrying. It makes it easy to transport your tools around the garden. The bottom is reinforced with a PE board, allowing the bag to stand upright, even when empty. This feature adds stability and convenience. What we like. This bag is made of durable Oxford cloth and has plenty of pockets to keep your tools organized. The reinforced bottom ensures it stands upright, even when loaded. If you need a reliable and organized way to carry your tools, this bag is perfect. It's designed to make your gardening tasks easier. What people say. It's durable and has lots of storage room. It is beautiful and functional. I've put all my hand tools in the pockets plus a bottle of water. The inside is roomy to hold gardening gloves, rubber gloves, plant clips and a water spray bottle. It has a hard bottom which allows it to stand. The Velcro handles keep items from falling out. There are 2 snaps to easily open it wider. The canvas wipes clean. Even loaded up it's still lightweight. I love the insect design. It seems to be very sturdy. I love the gajillions of exterior pockets. They help me be organized. Number 3. Play 22 10-piece gardening tools set with handbag. This Play 22 set includes everything you need for gardening. It comes with a weeder, hand fork, hand rake, and more. It's a complete set for any gardener. Made from sturdy steel, this set is built to last. The ergonomic handles make it easy to use, and the high-quality bag keeps everything organized. This set is designed to withstand the test of time. The tools are designed to be gentle on your plants. You can clear dirt, dig soil, and transplant without damaging the roots. It's perfect for taking care of your garden. No more running around looking for tools. With this set, you can tend to your garden anytime. It saves you time and energy, making gardening a breeze. We offer a lifetime warranty on this gardening tool set. Your satisfaction is our priority, and these tools are made to bring you years of gardening enjoyment. It is a great gift for anyone. What we like. This set includes a variety of tools and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring your satisfaction. The ergonomic handles make the tools comfortable to use. If you're looking for a complete set with peace of mind, this is the one. It's a great investment for any gardener. What people say. The bags are sturdy and well made. They are a good size for carrying tools and garden waste. The handles are strong and easy to grip. Number 2. Canvas Garden Tool Bag with 8 pockets. This canvas garden tote bag offers a maximum capacity of up to 3.9 gallons. It features 8 pockets on the side, providing ample space for all your hand tools. The double-handled garden tote bag is made of waterproof polyester, ensuring durability and lightness. It's also easy to wash and clean. This professional garden tote bag is perfect for various gardening tasks. It can store tools for planting, trimming, and transplanting. You can also use it as a basket for picking or a picnic tote. With this garden tool bag organizer, you can easily grab the tote and go, knowing everything is there. It helps keep your tools organized and promotes good storage habits. We offer a 30-day free replacement for this canvas garden tote bag. If you're not satisfied, please contact us directly. We are committed to providing quality products and services to every customer. What we like. This garden tote bag is made of durable canvas and offers a large capacity for all your tools. It can also be used for other purposes, like picnics. If you need a versatile and spacious bag, this is a great option. It's designed to make your gardening tasks easier and more enjoyable. What people say. Very spacious and sturdy. Nice deep pockets. It is sturdy, with lots of pockets fitting my water bottle, sunglasses, phone, Kleenex, small scissors and cord, all the extras, and the inside is roomy for hand tools. Holds my gardening gear. Handheld gear. Nice size. Decent pockets. Number 1. XIANGLE Garden Tool Bag, Heavy Duty Garden Tote. Introducing the XIANGLE Garden Tool Bag. This bag is designed to keep all your gardening essentials in one place. It's the perfect solution for any gardener. With 8 exterior pockets, 2 interior compartments, and 4 straps, it offers plenty of space. You can keep everything neatly organized and easily accessible. The size is perfect for all your needs. Made from tear-resistant polyester Oxford cloth, this bag is built to last. Fine stitching and a reinforced base add extra strength. It can stand upright even when fully loaded. The sturdy handle makes it easy to carry. You can comfortably transport all your tools around the garden. It's designed for convenience. This bag is versatile and multifunctional. Use it for household tools, cleaning supplies, or even picnics. It's a great gift for any gardening lover. When not in use, it can be easily stored away. It's ready for your next gardening project. This bag is a must-have for any gardener. What we like. This garden tool bag has multiple pockets to keep your tools organized and is made of durable 600D fabric. It's also easy to store when not in use. If you want a bag that's both practical and easy to store, consider this. It's designed to make your gardening tasks more efficient. What people say. Canvas is tough. It holds up to charred ends of tools no problem. Lots of pockets to put tools in. Center console for bigger tools. These totes are very well made of high-quality nylon canvas fabric. There are pockets on all sides of the outside walls of the tote, to hold garden hand tools or other items such as seed packets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.